How to hide your like counts on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can hide your like counts on Facebook. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you would like to hide the like counts on your Facebook account, what you need to do is to just go ahead and open the Facebook application first. Once you launch Facebook, you can see this kind of interface. Now you have to go to the menu page by tapping on the menu icon. Over here you want to actually scroll down to the bottom until you find the option called settings and privacy, and then go to settings. After you go to settings, choose the option called profile settings, which is at the very top of the screen. And once you go to profile settings, here you want to actually scroll down and look for the option called reaction preferences under feed settings. Here you can find the option called reaction preferences. If you want to hide the likes on Facebook for your own post, by default these two are going to be turned on. So if you want to hide the likes on your own post, first of all you have to turn this thing off right over here. Other people won't see the total number of reactions under posts you share to your profile. So that's about it. And you can also hide posts from others if you want to, and if you don't want to see how much likes other people has. But that's all it takes to hide your like counts on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.